Hello students, today we will take our maths class again, and today our topic will be concept of zero. Zero means absence of something. And see here, Sima has 3 toys, Tina has 1 toy, Ritu has no toys or 0 toys. That means Sima has a toy. Sima has 3 toys. And Tina also have how many toys? 1 toys. But Ritu did not have any toys. That means Ritu have 0 toys. And 0 means nothing. And we use this O to represent 0. Again, see here again. Sima has 3 toys. How many toys? See? 1, 2, 3. And Tina also have 1 toy. But Ritu did not have any toys. That means Ritu has 0 toys. And we use this O to represent 0. And now we will learn how to write 0 by joining the dots. Okay, let's join the dots to make it 0. Okay, that is how to trace the 0. Okay, let's join the dots again to make 0. Okay, like this you have to do. You have to join the dots to make 0 up to the last. And the next is we will join again the dots to make the 0 name. Okay, first join the dots like this. Z, E. You join the dots carefully. R, O, 0. Like this, you have to join the dots to write the numbers name 0. To write the names 0. And the next is number 10. 9 balloons and 1 more balloons make 10 balloons. See here, you count the pictures of balloon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 9 balloons. All these we call as, okay, let's do like this. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, again 1, again 3 more left. 1, 1. How many ones is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, how many ones are there? 9 ones. So, we write it as 9 ones. And if you plus 9 plus 1, how many? 10. So, here it becomes 10 ones. We say that here are all ones. So, if you count this together again, it makes 10 ones. And the next is like before. 10 ones make how many? See again, how many balloons are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10 balloons. So we say that all these are 1. So if you write it all and if you count it all the ones together, it make 10 ones. Make how many? 1 tenth. If you see the picture here, if you tie it in ones, it come 1 tenth. Okay, come to page number 70. See the question number 1. Regroup and write your answer in the boxes. Like before, we have to regroup and write the answer in the box. So, 15 ones. So, how will you write? Ones, 10. So, 1 will be in 10 place and 5 will be in 1 place. And it become 15. Understand? And let's see again one more time. 15 ones. equal to how many? 1 tens and 5 ones equal to 15. Again, come to page number 80. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. And number 2 is arrange the following numbers in descending order. First, let's do the ascending order. Ascending order means arranging the number from smaller to bigger. So, let's see. Ascending means arranging the number from smaller to bigger. And now, we'll take out the smallest number from here. And the first smallest number is how many? 2. So, you write here 2. And the second is how many? 5. And the third will be 7. And the last will be the biggest one. 9. Again, one more time, listen. 5, 2, 9, 7. You have to arrange in how? Ascending order. Ascending order means arranging number from smaller to bigger. So, let's see. 5, 2, 9, 7. The smallest one 2. The second 5. And the next is 7. And the next is 9. The last one will be the biggest one. Okay. And B and C you have to do by yourself in your book. And number 2, arrange the following numbers in descending order. Descending order means arranging number from bigger to smaller. That means you have to arrange the biggest number at the beginning, and the second bigger, the third, and the fourth will be the smallest one. So let's try the first one. 2, 8, 3, 6. We have to arrange in descending order. Descending order means we know that arranging number from bigger to smaller. So the biggest number we have to write at the beginning. So the biggest is 8. And the second is 6. And the third is 3. And the last will be the smallest one. Understand? When we do ascending order, we keep the biggest number at the last. But here in descending order, the smallest one is to be at the last. Thank you.